see if you come in a wholesale and you can't read, that's alright. Me help you. Right? But you see if you can't read and you go on like you can read, at them time there you look like fool. Let me give you an example with the things that me have to deal with at the time. One lady come in here and ask me the germs lotion. Germs lotion. And then when me ask her, germs lotion, miss? I don't know, germs lotion, that one there up there, so. I no problem when people dunce, you know. But how you fit dunce and have attitude with it? And that me not get. How? That don't make no sense.